Alright, we're here for the 700th time. My favorite store. Load. Oh, this is good right here. This is the brick I was thinking about. This is normally like 48 cents a piece. Now they're 3 for $1. So I think we'll be going with these. And then I'm going to use one of these 15 by 6 inch weathered brick face for the base. Out of there for about under 20, but with my plant addiction, ended up with some plants for $1 a piece, which I can't beat. So they were $7 and $5 normally, so at $1 a piece for 7 new plants, I'm pretty stoked. Alright, so one of my rogue trips to Lowe's again, we're going to build a rocket stove. So we got the bricks, we also got some dollar plants because, like I said, I got a problem. So we'll unpack this, we'll get it going. So I got this rain shield. I wanted the straight metal one. This actually has a painted coating on it. So we're just going to cut this for the grate inside. Excuse my horrible tin snips. Okay, so now we got our grate for the inside, and let's get started. Alright, so this is how I'm going to start this. I'm going to leave these two here, and we're going to place our grate here and then start stacking. Actually got a, I'd say about a 4 to 5 mile breeze right now blowing right past us, right into this firebox here, so it's actually helping it get started. Heating up. Got my twigs from the yard, which we've got millions, and I'll continue to stoke it and see how this goes. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it. That's the rocket sound. You can tell that thing is getting going now. So for under 20 bucks, we built this little stove. These bricks, again, were 3 for $1. The bottom larger brick paver was, I believe, $4.98. So I got 35 bricks, and as you can see the way I built it, we have a couple extras. So I've got some of these wood chips too we could throw in here. My wife, she's already so excited. She didn't even know I was building this morning, and now she's going to grab some stuff to cook. So I always like when she approves my random projects. And then this was a grate. It's a little dirty and it's sitting in my garage, but this was a grate from an old stove we got rid of, so I had this last one left over, so it fits right on top perfectly. So a few minutes we'll be making something here. Probably would have waited till it heats up a little bit more. You know, basic cooking. It is getting high for sure. You got some ash falling. Simple eggs, quick test, but yeah, we didn't stoke it enough the first time, so got some more twigs and got it really going, and things picked up quick. So rocket stove, quick project, survivalist type gear, less than 20 bucks or free depending on if you have the materials. And we're cooking with fire. So, as you can see, rocket stove, you can kind of see how sizes also. This is, like I said, I got 35 bricks. I used 33 of them roughly for the design. The top grate I had from an old stove. And that's it. It's actually going. It's pretty hot. This is actually pretty optimal cooking temperature right now. So, glad this worked out. Glad we could show it to you guys, and we'll see you on the next video.